Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign up Twitch account. So if you also want to sign up Twitch account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So a Twitch account allows you to watch and interact with live streams, follow creators and even stream your own content. So if you also want to create a Twitch account, for that what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in twitch.tv, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Twitch. So if you also want to sign up for your account, what you have to do is click on the sign up option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the sign up interface. Over here what you have to do is provide these details. First of all what you have to do is enter your username. So simply enter your username over here. Now after that what you have to do is enter your password. Simply create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you create the password, what you have to do is select the date of birth. First of all select month. After that what you have to do is select the day. Now after that also select the year over here. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll have to add the phone number. You can simply add the phone number over here. Make sure to select the country code, or instead of that you can also use email. So simply click on the option use email instead. After that what you have to do is enter your email over here. Now after you enter the email, what you have to do is click on the sign up option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Of verification code will be sent to your email. So simply open Gmail, simply go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here Gmail will be opened. Twitch has sent me the email. All you have to do is click on it. Now over here you'll be able to find your verification code. Simply memorize this code, go back to the Twitch tab. Now over here what you have to do is enter that code. Now after that you can see over here your account will be created. You can choose your interests if you want. If you want to choose your interests, simply click on the option choose some interests. After that you can see over here you'll be able to choose the categories. Simply click on the categories of your choice. After that click on the option done. Now after that you can see over here you'll be able to watch and interact with the live streams over here. You can also stream your own content if you want. Like this your account will be created. So that is how you sign up for Twitch account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.